In today's video, I am going to teach you how to stop pop-up ads and notifications on Google Chrome. Pop-ups, redirects, and constant notification prompts can be distracting, and they can also be used by spammy websites to grab your attention. The good news is that Chrome includes built-in controls to block pop-ups and prevent sites from sending notifications. I will walk you through where these settings are and what to select, so Chrome stays quiet and focused. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click the three vertical dots. This opens the main Chrome menu. From that menu, select Settings. A new tab will open with Chrome Settings. On the left-hand side, click Privacy and Security. This section is where Chrome keeps options related to your browsing safety and how websites are allowed to behave. In the main area of the page, select Site Settings. Site Settings lets you control what permissions websites can use, like pop-ups, notifications, location, camera, and more. Now scroll down until you reach the Content section. Under Content, click Pop-ups and Redirects. This is the setting that controls whether websites can open extra windows or send you through unwanted redirect pages. Select the circle for Do Not Allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. This helps stop those extra tabs and surprise pages that can appear while you are browsing. After you set that, go back by clicking the back arrow near the top left of the settings page, next to pop-ups and redirects. You will return to the content list again. Next, click Notifications. Notifications are the messages that websites can send to your desktop, even when you are not actively looking at that site. To stop those alerts completely, select the circle for Do Not Allow sites to send notifications. This prevents websites from requesting permission and from sending notification pop-ups. Once both settings are updated, you can close the Settings tab. Your changes save automatically, so there is nothing else you need to press. And that is all there is to it.